Polymarket is basically a betting site where you can bet on all kinds of stuff. Economy, presidential elections in 2028, Fed decisions, blah, blah, blah. This is where people are putting their money where their mouth is, right? So they're right now on Polymarket for the September 17th Fed decision, there is a 76% chance that they will decrease interest rates by 25 basis points. There's a 17% chance of no change. There is a 5.9% chance that it'll be a 50 basis point reduction. So they're expecting, no different than trading. If you're a day trader and you buy a stock or anything else, you've probably done a little bit of research to lead you to the decision that price is either going to go up, or if you're shorting it, that it's going to go down, right? No different than this. If I'm going to put $500,000 that the Fed's going to lower interest rates, I better have some decent research behind it. And you've got thousands, if not millions of people that are utilizing this site to essentially gamble on these all kinds of different decisions. So 76% believe a reduction in September. October, there's a 57% chance currently. Now, there could be news, anything that goes on, maybe some, CPI reports or something like that. Inflation's going up again or something that could alter those decisions. A war breakout, or somebody blocks the Panama Canal and we can't get goods and services through. So anything could change that between now and then. But if nothing changes, there's a high probability that they're going to reduce interest rates in September. But there's also a decent probability that Jerome Powell just doesn't like Trump and he doesn't want to give in, and he may do it just out of spite. But this last decision, you already had 2 Fed governors that dissented from their decision. They said, we disagree. We think now is when you should reduce interest rates, which is rare that happens. So there's a growing population, even amongst the Fed governors, that rates should come down. So I think September, long story short, I think we might see our first rate cut for this year.